Hello everyone, this is Anna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The strategy I'm going to tell you about in this video is just perfect for working with digital contracts market. And the instrument in its core allows you to buy any instrument at the right time and turn your trades into profit consistently. So let's set up our indicators and get to trading. So in order to trade with this strategy, we're going to need two indicators. They are quite common. These are moving average and stochastic oscillator. The first one is a trend indicator which appears directly on the chart. And the second one, the stochastic, is oscillator which resides under it. So for this strategy to work, we will need two moving average indicators and one stochastic. And now let's get to settings. Set the period of the first moving average to 10, and I'm going to also change the color to blue, so it will just make it more convenient while trading. The second moving average period will be 21. I'm gonna pick yellow as the color. When it comes to stochastic, you can just leave everything on default. So now when everything is set up, let's get to trading. The first currency pair is CHF-JPY, and on this 2-minute time frame chart we can see a global downtrend. At this point a local uptrend is formed and it just led the price to the global level of resistance. What we need to do now is to look at the moving average lines, and it's that case when the blue line is crossing the yellow one upwards and it acts as a signal to go long. Also, we need to keep an eye on stochastic oscillator. It should be just entering the oversold zone. At this point, all of our indicators are aligned in a way that tells us to go long. Let's also switch to a longer 5-minute time frame chart. This chart clearly shows that the market is in an uptrend after all. There is still way for the price to go up, and stochastic is indicating that. At this point, the price is at a strong global level of support and it will break, and the last bullish candlestick indicating that. So I make my move and buy a call option which expires in 10 minutes. It was the right call and it turns us a profit. Moving on to the second case for today. This is AUD-CHF currency pair. The correction comes to end with a new peak and the global uptrend gets back in force. At this point, stochastic is getting close to the overbought zone. For us, that's a signal to go long. There is also a level of resistance that formed here. It will break. The long bullish candlesticks that are coming close to it indicate that. Let's take a look at the longer time frame chart. Indeed, the long bullish candlesticks made up for the correction, and stochastic is telling us that there is a long way to go. Considering that the market is in an uptrend, and I opt for a call option which expires in 10 minutes. And again we got a profit. Moving on to the third case for today. This is Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. The market is trading flat with a narrow price corridor, and usually this means that the market is just getting ready for something. Stochastic is neighboring the oversold level, signaling us to go short. Also, the blue moving average line crossed the yellow one downwards, and it serves as a signal for us to go short too. A longer time frame chart shows us that the local trend is dominated by the bears, and it is indicated by the long red candlesticks. And stochastic is telling us that there is a big potential for the price to fall. So a put option this time. The flat did continue, but the trade still turned as a profit. So let's get on to the fourth, the last trade for today. This time I have the USD CAD currency pair. Here, despite the market is being in a downtrend, the bulls are in charge. It may indicate that we have a big player trading at the moment, and our indicators are also telling us to go long. A shorter time frame chart shows us that the global level of resistance was broken, meaning that the uptrend has started. So I get a call option. And this trade also turns me a profit. Well guys, that's gonna be it for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section below or on my Telegram. The link for my Telegram chat will be right there in the description. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel because there will be a lot of useful videos for you. And you can follow me on Instagram too. The link for it will be also in the description. So yep, hope you enjoyed watching this video and see you in the next ones. Goodbye.